So we have to integrate cos x degree dx. Now, you know that you have memorized formula for integration of cos x. So that cos x, that x was in terms of radian, but here they have used degree. So first you have to convert your question into degree, then you can apply your logics. Okay, so we have to integrate cos x degree dx. Now you know that 180 degree is pi radian. So can I write 1 degree as pi by 180 radian? But we have to find out x degree. So can I multiply both sides by x? So we will have 180x. Correct? Now look at this. Now same way can I update the question? So question will become what? Cos pi x by 180. Okay, dx. Now you know that this thing appears to be ugly, so we will take that thing as z. So it is pi 180x. Now do the differentiation both side. So it is dz by dx. Now we will have only pi by 180. Okay. Now can I write this thing as 180 by pi cos z dz? Just tell me. Okay. So look at the idea. So the idea is now what we have to do? We have to do integration of cos x. So integration of cos x is sin z. Done. 180 by pi plus integration constant. Now you know that you have to write answer in terms of x. Now replace your z. 180 by pi sin z. Z is pi x by 180 plus integration constant c. I hope the idea is clear. And now if you will have trigonometric term in terms of degree, you can handle.